so you get the trucks. And there was, you know, they had these ponds there, and all these ducks and the ducklings. And
oh my gosh, 3 trucks.
Ducklings were all real cute and everything. I'll try to stay back so you can kind of see what they do in lane.
Yeah.
See if they go through side by side.
They're not. It's type 2. They're not going to go side by side. Or case.
Yeah, they staggered.
Yeah, they're going to slip each other.
They staggered. Well, let's see what these two guys do. Let's see what these two guys do.
Yeah, the left one. I was going to say the left one can block it and the right one can follow.
Yeah, I don't know. This is good to catch right here.
Mm-hmm.
Side by side.
Oh, one made a right, one made a...
No, they're both.
Oh, one's
Look at there.
Oh, they're both making...
Look at there.
Holy
Look
cow!
at there. We got synchronized trucking. It's an Olympic event. They did it right there, man. They did it. They damn sure did.
They're not supposed to be able to, but they did.
They did it. They did well. They did well. Good for them.
Oh.
All right, let me see if I can get caught up to them, see what to do next. All right, dude, you're supposed to stay in your lane. I hope you do.
Yep. Well, one of them made a right turn onto the freeway.
Okay.
And the other's going, looks like it went straight through.
Yeah, that was cool, and you caught it.
Yeah, we got it on video.
Awesome, man.
You got one coming back this way.
Awesome,
Central
man.
Freight. I guess one was going to go north and one was going to go south.
Yep, you'll have to publish that. That was awesome. Right place, right time.
Come on, there's nobody in the road. There's nobody in the circle. Oh, there's the motorcycle.
Watch out.
He's spiraling out. Okay.
Yep.
Yep. One went north, and one went south. That's what happened.
They did. They went through right together side by side. That's cool. Ordered a little clip-on visor thing.
Yeah, that's definitely
that.
needed. Your shoulders like feel like you're gonna die.
So you need to get yourself one here one of these days. Only one. Don't give up yet. This is the one that has the truck, the special bypass.
Yep.
Because of the big loads that come through every now and then.
Yep.
There it is.